Of the misconception concerning Senator John Azutambata's emergence as President General for Ndibo and the clear stand of ENEKA leadership and opinion leaders. Today being the first day of February 2025, after a critical meeting of ENEKA leadership and opinion leaders, and having read and comprehend various publications released by individuals and organizations on the issue, the emergence of Senator John Azutambata as the elected President General for Ndibo worldwide, with special reference to publications of Ogbakor Ikwerre Cultural Organization worldwide, both before and after the 2025 Ohaneze election, with the leadership of ENEKA clan wish to clarify and state our stand as follows. 1. Most distinguished Senator John Azutambata, as a true citizen of Nigeria, reserve the right to belong to any peaceful organization whom association of his choice. 2. That as an adult citizen of Nigeria, Senator John Azutambata reserves the right to vote and be voted for in any organization he belongs to, including Ohaneze Ndibo Socio-Cultural Organization worldwide.
That is correct.
That this distinguished Senator John Azutambata does not need to seek the approval of any individual or group of persons, including the Ogbakor Ikwerre organization, before exercising his franchise as a Nigerian citizen and as a member of Ohaneze Ndibo.
Here you go.
Hello, wonderful people. I welcome you all today. It is a very beautiful day, a very wonderful one. I must say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. It all depends on where you are watching this broadcast from. My name remains Chief Chukwuemeka Ojembenwiro Anyanwunke Ikwerre, and I am the host of the Namen TV and also the convener of the movement, the most beautiful movement on the face of the earth, Unify Igbos Now. We are unifying Ndibo, and we are succeeding. A movement that we started barely 3 years ago, but today we are recording success upon success upon success. No matter the hindrances, no matter the obstacles, the tribulations, we have all come out victorious in every challenges that we have been faced with. And today, I want to announce to you that our people in ENEKA, Obio Akpo local government area, are solidly behind us, Ndibo. We are working towards having a very united Igbo nation, and our people, no matter where they are solidly behind us. They are coming out in mass, especially from the Ikwerre region, despite the few elements that are propagating lies, that are propagating and putting some propagandas that Ndi Ikwerre are not Ndibo. But the major bulk, the majority of Ndi Ikwerre are solidly behind this movement, and they have been calling, they have been giving us their support, both in finances, both in moral support, in every way they can. And I am thanking every Ikwerre son that are out there who has contributed his own quota, no matter how little, no matter how big, towards the success of this movement. I thank you all. And the news that are coming out from the Obio Akpo region, ENEKA to be precise, where our dear senator, our dear president, Senator John Mbata, is from his hometown, ENEKA, in Obio Akpo local government. The traditional ruler has made it clear, and the people of ENEKA has made it clear that they are Ndibo. They are part and parcel of the Igbo, the larger Igbo nation. To the shame of the man called Mr. Kachuku Dibia, I mean, an old man who has taken it upon himself to sow nothing but seed of discord to deceive the coming generation. He has deceived himself, he has brainwashed himself, he has told himself so much lies, he has in every ramification, in every justification, sold his soul to the devil, and the devil has kept using him to omit lies and to propagate lies and about the Igbo nation. The Ikwerre, as we all know, are peace-loving people, are part of a clan, a subgroup of the Igbo nation, the larger Igbo nation. The Ikwerre as a people does not have a separate language. What they have is a separate dialect, which is very unique. The Ikwerre, the beautiful Ikwerre dialect, just like the Ngwa man has never been consumed in the Igbo identity. He remains an Ngwa man. He speaks his language Ngwa. The same goes to our Oka brothers. The same goes to our Soka people. This whole people has their own different different dialects, and it is all beautiful under the Igbo language. Nobody has no dialect of Igbo has gone extinct. None at all. So my brothers in the Ikwerre region, do not be afraid. Do not listen to this man who has proven that he is working for the devil to separate the children of light from the larger ethnic identification, which is the Igbo nation. I encourage every person who has risen up to condemn his lies, to condemn the interview that he gave out where he spewed nothing but lies. I commend you all, my brothers from the Ikwerre region. Keep on doing this. We are winning. The Igbo nation is united, and we must remain united. We must be united to conquer our common enemies. Yes, and form a very beautiful and strong front in order to protect our economic and our right to existence. Thank you, and I say, wherever you are you my brother from Oba, are you from Ekpeye, are you from Ndoni, are you from Eche, Ebema, Ika, Ukwane, Abo, Onya, and every other place that Ndibo, Ibanke, every other place that Ndibo are found. You speak the Bia language. You speak the language of the heavens, which is the Igbo language. Do not despair. Do not despair. The time is now. The time is now. The movement has gotten to that point that we cannot return until we achieve total victory. Down to our enemies, down to all our enemies who has tried everything they can to separate Ndibo, and up to all our friends, all our neighbors, all the people that have supported the Unified Igbos Now movement. I still remain your own faithfully Chukwemeka. I am Ujembe Nwero. I am the convener of the Unified Igbos Now movement, and I welcome you to this beautiful part of the world. Thank you, and God bless you. Thank you.